Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I'm going to show you this Haldiram beautiful package and what inside it is. It's a mint lachha, mint flavor potato sticks. It is not that huge sticks like what french fries feet. Yes, it's not that huge like french fries, but these are quite smaller as the packaging itself shows you, and known as namkeen. It's written over here namkeen, and net weight is 200 grams. So it's pure vegetarian. As you can see, the green dot in square, it's over here. So it's pure vegetarian thingy, and it's a fasting snack. If you're getting bored or you're traveling, you can carry these and eat as a snacks. Nutritional information is mentioned over here, and about the ingredients it's mentioned over here. Haldiram, it's a Noida company. It's in India, UP, Uttar Pradesh, and the factory is in Noida. That's it, nothing more is written over here. So let's not wait for much and open it. Are you ready to see? Are you ready to see, guys? Yes! Yay! So this is how it looks like. Beautiful. Beautiful. So this is the stick size. These are not like french fries, but very crispy, very amazing to eat. Now I'm going to place it a little bit to my hand so that you can have a look. These are very tasty, guys. Go and try this. Haldiram product is available all over the world, so go and taste it. And didn't forget to subscribe to my channel. The cameraman is telling me just say the subscribe thing.